Because right now, we just have like the basic controls here. Like, I want my windows to wobble. I want jiggliness all over my desktop. Let's just make it really thick with 2 C's. Oh, iExplore.exe. All right, well, that was somewhat fun and somewhat disappointing at the same time, kind of like me. Oh, my spacebar is broken. Shish. Just gonna try fixing this here quick. All right, I hope I didn't break anything. Hey guys, how you all doing? Really? That's just great. Well, we are now in part 2 of the Linux Mint installation sensation. If you have not seen part 1 yet, you have missed out on some intense excitement. I highly recommend giving that a peek before watching this. So, we have the system ready to go here, but now it's time to install the other goodies and have some fun with the features and customize the system and all of the all that good stuff. The fun stuff, you know? The good stuff. It might help if I turn the monitor on so you can see stuff, you know? Maybe. Hello? Buddy? You there? I hear the hard disk doing something, so there we go. There's our Mint. You had me worried there for a second. So I haven't installed anything else on here, and it's just all like the default settings right now, but I saved it all for this occasion, so we're gonna enjoy it. But yes, 18.3 Sylvia Mate 64-bit. Before we go installing other stuff, let's personalize the system and make it our own. Let's have some fun. You know, I might put my own wallpaper on here too. Actually, that's what I'm going to start with. And this will be a good time for us to test out Firefox and that awesome little spring load animation there. Pretty. But let's head over to thecomputerclan.com, go to More, Wallpapers, and I can take one of the photos I shot and put it on here. You know, I'm going to go through the built-in ones first, and I was actually wondering, you know, maybe I should submit my own photographs for wallpaper contests, because I'm pretty sure Linux distros do like wallpaper contests to see like who gets their photos in the system. I should probably apply for that stuff because I think it's fair to say I have some decent wallpapers, considering they've been downloaded thousands of times, if not tens of thousands of times. Yeah, oh, actually, this is the Antelope Canyon. I have been here. All right, I think that's plenty of resolution. So I'm gonna save that to my pictures, bitches, and right click, set as wallpaper. Yeah! Oh, that feels bueno. That feels really good. All right, so we know Firefox kind of works out great. That's good. Let's get to the... Yeah, let's keep looking through the interface thing. Okay, themes. What do we got for themes? Ooh, Minty Dark. I am a dark mode kind of guy. Sorry, Brent. I am partial to dark mode. All right, let's open our menu. What am I looking for? Compiz. This is where a lot of fun can be had. CCSM is an advanced tool. Use with caution. So yeah, the cool thing about Mint is it does have the Compiz stuff built in, and I'm sure there's more you could throw on here. But yeah, we got like the 3D windows. So, man, it has been a long time since I've done this stuff, so bear with me. Enable 3D windows. Okay. 3D windows is enabled. Wobbly windows is it's turned on, but I'm not getting any wobble. Maybe I'm an idiot. So I have the checkbox on here for Mate compatibility, but I still can't seem to get any of the effects to work. According to Synaptic, it looks like we are running the latest version, but I still can't seem to get it to work. So I'm going to, I have 2 backup plans here. The first one, hopefully pretty straightforward. The second one is I'm just gonna frickin' tweet this out to my amazing fan base, and hopefully they can get back to me before I'm done filming. Because, time travel doesn't exist. When you're watching this, you're not going to be able to help me in real time. Which is sad. You'd think we'd have time travel by now. Such a major buzzkill, man. Mate integration is not checked, though. This package contains files needed to integrate Compiz with the Mate desktop environment. Well, look at that. 120 kilobytes of disk space required. Oof. I don't think I can swing that. Well, let's try this. Maybe this is what we need. Because right now, we just have like the basic controls here. You know, virtual desktops and stuff. You know, nothing too fancy and cool looking. Like, I want my windows to wobble. I want jiggliness all over my desktop. I mean, I could install Dropbox. I do use it. I just don't know if I want to sync all my stuff onto a testing system. I'll probably be better off just, you know, going to the Dropbox website. Blender is pretty cool. I used to use Skype more, but everything changed when the Discord nation attacked, which again can also just be run in a web browser. Your drawing application looks a little... Or is it a presentation application? Looks kind of dated, but for funsies, we'll throw this on here, because why not? Oh, VLC's on here too. Wine. Ooh. Steam. Yes, I was actually thinking of doing Steam. Ooh. We could experiment with some Windows applications to see if they run on here. Maybe. Ooh, Shutter. You have F-Stop, or was it called F-Spot? And now you have Shutter. I've used F-Spot, but I've never used Shutter before, actually. It's a screenshot program. Okay. Oh, and we get a little rubber band effect there for scrolling off the page. Cool. But yeah, wine. This could be... I'm totally getting sidetracked, I know. We could do some Windows compatibility tests. Let's just install all the stuff we think we'll need here. All right, so that's installed. We might come back to that later if I choose to install Windows stuff. Man, Minecraft. Wow, it's been so long since I played that. VLC is always good to have. Again, I know I'm getting totally sidetracked here, but since I'm here, I might as well install the software that I need. We're going to need Steam. We got to put games on here. There's actually a lot of Linux games now on Steam, which is pretty cool. Well, there has been for about like a year or so, but I haven't played with a lot of them yet. And I was even getting recommendations to do SteamOS on a future Krazy Ken episode, which I still think is a good idea. I just haven't got there yet. But yeah, SteamOS, I've never used it before. All right, so we may do some more of that later, but let's get back to Compiz. And let's say effects like Fire Paint. It's enabled. Initiate key, Shift, Super. I mean, I'm not having anything happen, so I don't know. Maybe I got to reboot after installing the Mate compatibility. Let's just try that. Like simple things like Expo. Okay, so the Expo key is enabled. Control-Alt-Up. Doesn't do it. That's weird. Huh. Mate compatibility is on. I also installed it through the software manager. And I still can't seem to get any of the Compiz stuff to work. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweet right now in real time to my lovely audience and see if anyone can help me fix this before the tech video log session is over for today. And if you respond to me in time, great! Your help will be featured in today's episode. But for everyone else watching, yeah, there's no time travel, so you're just going to kind of be watching. You can't interact with me right now. I'm sorry. We don't have that kind of power. Whoa, just almost knocked my screen over because I'm a fat load. Let's fix that a little bit. You good? All right, so, yeah, I mean, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I do like the community here because you have helped me a lot with other issues, because, honestly, all of you are smarter than me. So, here goes the tweet right now, and it is off. So if someone replies to me while we're doing other stuff in this tech video log, awesome. But in the meantime, let's explore with other software we can install and just have some good installation sensation fun. Right, so first let's have some fun with Steam. We just installed that. And yes, it's going to have to do... It's a little updating thing, and I'm pretty sure I have the Steam Guard thing too, so I'm gonna have to get a fancy code sent to my phone. This would be so much more fun if the window wobbled. While Steam is doing its thing, let's have a look at panels. Mate panel. I like thick panels. Let's thickify this panel. Properties. Oh yeah, let's just make it nice and big. Okay, that's maybe a little too big. Get down a little bit. Let's expand. Oh, hey, that was rude. Oh, actually, I kind of like it like that. That feels a little more Mac-y. This button gives me money, right? Oh, it's just the terminal. That's not as exciting. I'm just kidding. Terminals are fun. All right, Steam was doing something in the background. Did it finish? I'm just having like an ADHD like moment here. I'm just jumping from one thing to the other. I'm just having so much damn fun. Oh, there it is. Okay, log into an existing account. Yes. This actually might be a little too cluttery now. I think I ruined it. Hang on, let me fix my panels. No, not clock, you asshole. I want to fix the panel. How do I just have panel properties? Just... Oh, wait. Oh, I can just drag this... Oh, okay. Let's go to properties. Let's go to expand. Let's keep that expanded. Oh, so then it stacks the open windows. I see what it's doing. Let's just make it really thick with 2 C's because I like it like that, I guess. We can give it a color. Let's give it a color. Yeah. You know, let's give it a Computer Clan brand color. 39A0D9. That is one of our accent colors. Now you know the secret. See that? And we'll just give it a little bit of transparency there. Yeah. I dig it. That's pretty. All right, let's open up Steam. Let's have a look. Oh, Five Nights at Freddy's, yeah. SteamOS plus Linux compatibility. Again, SteamOS I should totally do in a future episode. Half-Life 2, dude, I've been dying to play Half-Life 2 again. I actually want to play it like on a live stream again, you know? It's been a while since I've done that. That was probably the last time I played Half-Life 2 was on a stream like years ago. I just really want to do it again. Ooh, Gone Home? I was just thinking about that. That's fun. Portal 2 runs on Steam though? I mean, on Steam. Duh. No shit. On Linux? What? I've been wanting to play Portal 2 a lot recently too. I've been wanting to play so many of these recently. Wait, Rocket League? No. Rocket League works on Linux? Are you shitting me? I thought it was Windows only. Does it work on Mac now, too? What? I am so far behind, guys. Can you tell? Super Hexagon's always fun to do. Create a start menu shortcut. Ooh. This is not a start menu, man. This is a level of existence beyond the start menu. Let's just, yeah, whatever. What the hell? Let's install Portal 1. It's been so long since I played any of this shit. Actually, Portal was the first Steam game, or Valve game, and Steam game that I ever played. 0 friends are online right now? Because... Oh my gosh, last online 146 days ago? Holy crap. Yeah, I was in offline mode for some reason. I'll sign in, and there go all the notifications. Okay, so while that's installing, let's test out the graphics capabilities of this HD 4000. I just realized we probably don't have sound. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh shit, we do. Oh, we got little volume controls with the Mac keyboard. That is really impressive that it actually knows those. All right, I don't think it has all... Oh, it does have my progress synced. Shit. I need a bit of a warm-up, though. All right, you guys, you ready? All right, I'm just going to do the first level. Place your bets. I haven't played this in so long. How am I going to do? Sometimes I think this is harder on a bigger screen. Yeah, I went the wrong way. Right when I pressed that, I was like, oh, shit. Let's do a harder level. Oh, that was bullshit! Oh, come on, that was close. That was close. Hang on, I got this. No! Well, we know the graphics performance for this game is at least okay, right? Well, F you too, Super Hexagon. Is it installed yet? Oh, it's queued. Oh, man, wait, it stopped downloading because I was playing a game? Oh, man, I'm an idiot. Well, I didn't know it did that, actually. This episode is just a combination of things to do while other things are loading in the background, right? So let's just keep having fun with the frickin' panel here. Let's throw some stuff in here. Dictionary lookup, that's always nice. Oh, it's got like a text field in there and everything. All right. Eyes, dude, you gotta have eyes. Oh, come on. Please tell me they get bigger than that. Preferences, it looks like there's like different types of eyes. Bizarre. Ooh, that is bizarre. Default. Oh, now they got bigger now? What? Bloodshot? Oh. Oh, default tiny. Okay. Horrid. Oh. Dude, I'm getting all tingly from that. I think I gotta go vomit now. Oh, gosh. Well, keep the default eyes in there. You know what? I think I got a better idea. Let's just not put them in there. Display a swimming fish. All right. Oh. That's art right there. Oh, you can change okay, I see. You can ASCII art fish. All right. Oh, and you click it and it gives you a fortune. Tuesday is the Wednesday of the rest of your life. Oh, that's very profound. All right, let's take that out. Portal's still installing, so let's just keep having some fun with the panels here. System monitor, those are always fun, right? Let's make it wider. Let's make it wider. Let's move it, because you can, like, reposition it. Yeah, just put it over here. Oh, well, you can't see it because I'm an idiot, but I'm just going to move the system monitor. All right, let's try the dictionary. Pragmatic. All right. Well, that's cool. I love having a built-in dictionary. That is super, super handy. So yeah, the other probably smart reason why I installed Portal instead of Portal 2 is because this is like an HD 4000. Like, this is a 7-year-old integrated graphics chipset. That is a screen I have not seen in a long time. But yeah, I was thinking of playing Portal 2 on a live stream again because it's been years since I've done that. But I was wondering if I should do Portal and Portal 2 in the same stream. That might be fun because it's been so long since I played all of them. The puzzles are like anything but fresh in my memory. Dude, it has my games on here still. Oh my gosh. February 2014, December 2011. Oh my gosh, dude. It's been a long time. Test chamber 19. Test out the graphics performance of this computer and of Linux Mint. Yeah, this looks like it's working. My gosh, it's been so long. Control? Alright, whoa, 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 whoa! Didn't need that. I was probably a mouse bug or something. Oh, my spacebar is broken. Shish. That's gonna make this a lot more challenging. Oh, man. I'm getting like a lot of nostalgia flashbacks right now. Oh, there's me. Chel's got a body. She's pretty. She's good looking. Hey, I won! Cake! Woo! Well, the game's over, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for testing this with me. Test is now over. Holy, that's not a cake! That's not a cake! Oh, well, that's good to know. There's no chance of a dangerous equipment malfunction. That's fine. So how many other, like test subjects' bodies are down here? Alright. There we go. Suck it, GLaDOS. I'm in here. Okay, well, that's pretty awesome. We got games working on here. That's good. A lot more games coming to Linux. That honestly makes me, like, really giddy. Let's hop on over to Dropbox because I have some media on there. We can just pull into here. Now, I have Photoshop files, too. Can GIMP open up Photoshop files? I don't know, but we're going to find out. Now, this looks much better than that nightmare I experienced on the Hannah Montana Linux episode. That was messy. If you haven't seen that yet, do look at that. But yeah, this is actually working, so let's sign in. So I'm just downloading a bunch of stuff from my Dropbox here. I have a Cinema Shenanigans episode downloading. It's kind of big, so we're just going to let that keep going. It's like almost 4 gigs. But yeah, earlier I was wondering about GIMP compatibility with Photoshop, because I haven't really used GIMP much, but I'd like to try it. So we got a Photoshop file we can mess with. I also have some photos here. So let's open that up. We'll need to extract. And let's put them in the pictures folder. Show the files. All right, yep, looks like we got, oh, control scroll actually does work. That's good. So I can zoom in there. Nice. And yeah, we have an image viewer, and we have GIMP, Pix. Wait, so if I go open with image viewer, okay, so that's X viewer. So we have X viewer and Pix. Let's see what the difference is between the two, because I'm kind of foreign to these. And again, I did shoot all these photos myself. They were actually a lot of fun to do. Okay, this one has like a few more features in it, it seems. Good old CloudGate, big bean right there. A Schwinn, which I think, isn't this also a Chicago company? That was like 2 Chicago things at once. Chicago's pretty cool. Let's shake it up with some Pittsburgh. Yeah, cool. So we got that. We may come back to some more fun pictures in a bit. Oh, and of course the awesome _ macOS 10 folder, which I'm not 100% sure how to prevent that from happening when, you know, transferring zip files to other systems, because that was okay, so yeah, Dropbox generated a zip file when I downloaded, and it threw a macOS 10 item in there. That's interesting, because I didn't download a whole folder as a zip. I just downloaded a few select images as a zip. Because Dropbox doesn't download them all as individual images, it automatically puts them into a zip, but somehow a macOS 10 folder still got in there. I'm not really sure what these are for or how to stop them from showing up. They're invisible on the Mac by default, but they show up on other systems. So if anyone can help a stupid guy out, me, with that, that'd be great. Compact view. Oh, that is compact. Look at that. All right, let's go back to icon view because that's pretty. All right, let's close that, close that. Let's take a look at a Photoshop file. So here, I just have a PSD file of a previous Krazy Ken episode YouTube thumbnail. So let's open with GIMP and see what we can do with it. I want to see if it actually like can parse the layers and all that good stuff. Man, wow, this is a different splash screen. I haven't used GIMP in probably 8 years. Okay, so let's see. Some of this worked. Some of this didn't, probably because of layer styles. So like my face here is normally orange, or orange, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, the layer style wasn't baked in and it wasn't able to parse that. But I could probably change that. Okay, so let's close GIMP. And we have, yeah, again, we have a macOS 10 folder there. That's just, and it says it's 0 bytes down there, but 189 bytes up there. So somebody is lying. That extraction process created like a skyline down in our frickin' activity thingamajigger. Thingamajigger. I'm sorry, technical term. Didn't mean to throw that at you. Okay, so it is, oh, shnikes, that's cool. The poster art even got preserved. That's really sweet. So we have VLC and I think XPlayer. So one of these should work, right? Let's try it.
This is Ken.
Hey!
Show 102, Reel 1.
Who's that idiot talking? Well, that's cool. Let's see how well it scrubs. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not as fast as QuickTime, but I don't think I've seen anything scrub as fast as QuickTime. But that's actually very impressive still, especially since it's all free open source software. Oh man, these guys. Oh my gosh, these guys. Riffing this was a treat. That was fun. That was a fun episode. All right, let's try VLC. Let's just make sure it's working. We're just going to keep experimenting and stress testing the system. Yep, it's working. This scrub's a little bit quicker, as you can see. I don't know how I landed at the same part. That was just a really lucky guess. Okay, well, stuff is working, and that's really awesome. I'm not always used to that. Except Compiz. Compiz, I still can't get working. Everything else I've thrown on here works. And I did send out that tweet. Let's see if anyone has replied to me. The tweet actually got quite a bit of engagement, but the only feedback I received is scream at the PC until it works. Thank you, Nick Losre, L-O-S-R-E. Yes, scream at the PC until it works. Let's try. All right, did it work? Let's open up Compiz and go to the effects. So let's just turn off, let's say, Fire Paint, right? So we'll disable it and we'll re-enable it. We have the Mate thing installed, and I don't know if I mentioned this earlier. I did reboot the computer after installing the Mate compatibility. Shift Super. No, screaming did not work. Well, I guess we have to scream some more, but I'm not going to do that because that isn't really productive. I don't know, it's kind of a bummer. Maybe I'll just have to fiddle with some other Linux system in the future because I've gotten Compiz to work virtualized. With Zorin, maybe I should install Zorin next. We have a 500 gig hard drive, guys. We need to fill it with something. But yeah, this is a 500 gig drive. Oh, yeah, there isn't a mount point on there. Sorry. But yeah, we do have like 500 gigs free on here, or like 470, I think. Oh, unknown, because there's no file system on there. That's probably why. Well, let's do process of elimination. This is the only mount point on here, and this is, it's calculating. I still have my bets on about 24 maybe, because I think this is a 32 gig partition. Anyway, okay, whatever. I don't know if we need to sit here for the whole thing. Emblems. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, danger. Danger, Will Robinson. I'm booting up big picture mode, which works great. Yeah, I mean, I've never used this. Well, I maybe used this once before, but yeah, it didn't work. So let's try that again. Big picture mode. Yeah, I have a feeling this negative space shouldn't be here. It kind of works though, so let's just, I like the sound effects. Let's try launching something.
Super hexagon.
Okay, so let's say I exit, and it comes right back. Hey, now it's in full screen. It seems a little fuzzy though. Let's see, there's a gear here. Let's see. Display, resolution. Ah, there's our culprit. Oh, only that much dedicated video memory. Well, we're gonna take a chance. There we go. This actually looks kind of good with the blue going on the outside of the monitor and the blue going on inside the monitor. I dig it. The blue looks pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like it's performing fine, right? Let's try launching something. Okay, so
Super hexagon.
I saw a little bit of lag there. But yeah, I'm sure I'll have more fun with this if I do a Steam OS installation, which I have been thinking about. Well, okay, this has been good. Everything except Compiz seems to be fine. I'll have to experiment with Compiz some other time. I mean, this system is just packed with stuff. I mean, I only installed a few third-party things, but it's got tons of accessories, graphics programs, GIMP, Pix. Oh, Scribus is actually already installed. Or did I install it? I think I installed it actually. Transmission, Firefox, HexChat, all these Office applications, there's Wine compatibility, so I did say we would maybe experiment with some of that, so yeah, we'll get to that in a bit. But yeah, there's just a lot of stuff loaded on here, which I like. All right, time to drink some wine. Okay, so we have what looks like a clone of Windows Notepad that'll run in Wine. I believe I used this on Mac OS like many moons ago. Wine could not find a mono package needed for .NET applications to work properly. We can automatically download it and install it for you. Yes! But this does already feel like an old window, like a classic Windows environment inside of here, so that's kind of cool. I'm just trying to think if there's like any third-party programs I should install that are Windows related. Yes, just install things. I don't use Windows a lot, so I really don't know of any like Windows apps I should try to run through Wine. Yes, just download it. Gecko. And here's Notepad with the classic Windows look. About Notepad. Yeah, Wine Notepad. So this is a clone, but yeah, it works. Hello, the spacebar is kind of broken. Spacebar is broken. Again, this is kind of like the butterfly mechanism failure, except this is not. It's just the keyboard is, I thought it was dirty at first, but I think the key is just like bent out of shape, so I should probably fix that. Let's see, if I go to save, oh yeah, we even have a Windows-esque interface there. That is beautiful. Let's try fixing this here. You know, I'm gonna unplug. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna try fixing this here quick, because this thing is kind of a pain in the ass. All right, I hope I didn't break anything. Now, fun fact, the Krazy Ken character, even though it did start in a gaming series, the idea to use the name Krazy Ken and to have this like crazy persona of me actually all started when I broke a key on a keyboard. I don't know if I ever mentioned that in a previous episode. I feel like I did, but it was all because I broke a key on a keyboard. That is where the whole Krazy Ken character and name started. And it first debuted in Krazy Ken's classic video games, or whatever we called that. And yeah, there we go. I mean, that's a lot better. Classic Windows controls. So delicious. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna abort this before I lose my mind. Which I already have, actually. Too late. What else has Wine got for us today? All right, so here is this is like our virtual C drive, it seems. Okay, so it made a user for me. I see what it's doing. So program files, x86, common. Ooh, Internet Explorer. Oh, iExplore.exe. Well, let's open her up. I have a feeling this isn't actually doing anything. So yeah, we'll probably just abort all that. Well, we had fun with our notepad, right? That's all we need. All right, well, that was somewhat fun and somewhat disappointing at the same time, kind of like me. But I'm calling this a win, guys. It was a two-parter, very successful. Everything worked except for the Compiz stuff, so yeah, if you have suggestions on how to make that work or ideas for any other Linux distros I should try out, seriously drop me a line, because I'd love to throw more onto this little Mac Mini here and just fill it with more than just Linux systems. We could do Linux systems, but maybe other obscure software that's not Linux. Maybe, if that's even possible. Catch the crazy and pass it on.